What is going on, guys? It's Po Boys and it's Harris. Follow both of us right there. Follow Zorby too, and follow It's Just a Six. Follow all of us. Either way, we're going down to Florida for Cletus and Cars, which is about a 16-hour drive. Yeah. And it is what, 11 at night right now. We've been working the whole day, and we're just going to go to Lake Charles, which is south of where we live. And then once we stay the night there, we're gonna drive back in the morning, get to Florida, hang out. So we want to take y'all on the drive along the I don't know. I'm not tired, but I'm like tired.
I'll be fine.
I'm fine too. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna take y'all on the journey of the ride. There probably won't be much scenic stuff, but there's something cool. I'll film it.
We're gonna get that sunset this morning.
Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely get the sunset this morning.
Probably gonna be by the water. We're gonna be like around Alabama-ish. No, we're gonna get closer. We're gonna be around Pensacola by the time the sun comes
Boy,
up.
that's a long trip. We're gonna travel a long time. All right, well, either way, we're gonna get going on that. We'll catch y'all on the flip. Check out these freaking lights. I can't get enough of them. Hey, turn yours on. Ooh, boy. I don't know a difference between this car and an S550 right now. Look at the tail lights on this thing. Yep, so Harry's got his 2018 lights and I've got my, I don't even know what those are. They're the Raxiums. They're freaking awesome for what they are. They're the coolest things ever, in my opinion, for tail lights you can go on this car. It's definitely worth it. So let's freaking make it happen.
Let's do it. Yeah, we putting that premium, baby.
That premium. This is the first fill up. What are you on, E right now? Let's see how long it takes for like a 16-hour drive, how many EcoBoost fill ups it takes. My car's only going 2 hours. He's gonna drive the rest of the way. So we're also gonna see some of Harry's toys that he has. CTSV that no one's ever been able to see. There's only been pictures of it. I'm gonna see it for real in person here eventually, so.
Yeah, got a V, got four-wheeler, everything.
Well, I'm ready to see it. I'm about to go in there and grab me a Dr. Pepper for the road. First sign of the police. And it looks like they're either pulling someone over or maybe someone ran off the road. Let me find out. It's about 2 hours in already. It's a little bit longer than a 2-hour trip to Harry's house, so we shouldn't have much longer. Yeah, that's what 1320 calls jail time. That's prison. That's 4 cops behind that one car. Oh boy.
Hey.
Look at this. It exists. Golly, those brakes are huge.
Yeah, they're Brembos.
This thing's dying to get driven.
I got a new fender. That one's... I hit a deer with this car, believe it or not. We fixed the fender what I could by hand. This headlight got destroyed. The back of this headlight's destroyed. I put it all back together with fiberglass.
Really?
Yeah, it still works.
This thing's so clean.
Interior still smells minty as hell.
Damn, it smells like a brand new car in here.
There's engine parts all over the inside too.
Yeah. Head gaskets.
Yep.
Just chilling. Alternator.
Got Corolla parts everywhere too. That's for the Corolla. These are brand new like OEM trim pieces like this for the Corolla.
Really?
Yeah, this is a custom cam my dad got made for his Starlet.
Dang, this thing looks good. All right, I'm gonna post it to Snapchat. Y'all add me on Snap.
That Camry right there is the one that's swapped with the 3 GTE motor in it.
Oh, really?
My EcoBoost twin turbo.
Whoa, what?
Yeah.
Twin. Look how cute they are.
Those are little 3.5 twin turbos.
Bro, they're so small. That's my hand. Those are EcoBoost turbos?
Yeah, 3.5 liter.
What?
That's on a truck that I had to rebuild. We got an LKQ motor, and I took the turbos off of it because the turbos on the other truck were so good. So I just kept the newer turbos.
What?
50,000-mile turbos.
Those things are extremely small. How the heck? I'm assuming that the turbos on my car are going to do some damage after seeing that that's the turbos on a 3.5. So what's under here?
The Monster.
Boy, that thing is minty.
That is the CTSV motor. Brand new Malley hydrogen pistons.
Is it hailing? Dude, I think it's hailing. I literally was just out here and it was not windy at all. What the heck?
Dual roller timing chain set. There's a brand new Texas Speed MS4 in there. I'll close that door real fast.
I bet you this thing sounds beautiful when it runs. Golly. So this is the V's engine right here.
Yup.
Thing is so freaking clean. Did you have this block redone or cleaned? It's just that clean.
The brand new MS4 cam in there. Dual roller timing chain.
Mug is brand
High
new.
compression Malley or Malley. Yeah, Malley. However the hell you say it. This name. Molly.
Molly.
Molly pistons.
Malley.
I got the freaking forged connecting rods. Fully forged crank. High flow oil pump. Right now I'm running this. It has a stock freaking bolt in there, but I got the ARP bolt for it. As you can see, I got heads everywhere. LS heads everywhere. These.
Don't you have them ported?
Yes. These are not ported. These are ported.
Yep. Oh, try not to knock out this.
Started to get ported. See it? Look at that one compared to those.
Yeah, so you see that hole down there is super small. That hole's huge.
Yeah. Last weekend when I came down here, we took all the valves out of the new heads. These are about to get ported, fully ported. Ported polished, 5 valve angle job, or 5 angle valve job. We're changing the valve stem seals. Put new roller rockers on there. Did the trunnion kit on them. Those are the stock 243 springs, but I have 3 sets actually. Those are Texas Speed 660 springs. I have a set of PAC 660 springs and a set of BTR 660 springs. I don't know which one I'm running yet, but I have all of them everywhere.
Bro, there's just engine parts everywhere in
Roller
here.
rocker. This is my 20 valve 4AG crankshaft, brand new.
Thing's teeny.
I don't know where.
There's a head right there.
That head is for a 4AG Corolla motor. That's a big port. It's not a small port like everyone wants, but it's a big port head. That's actually the original head. No, it's not. No, it's not. I put the original head back onto the car. I just changed the valve cover. So that's not the original head. The original head's on my car right now.
Gosh dang.
But yeah, that's the one I bought for $650, the whole engine. The rest of the block is somewhere around here. That's an extra diff I have for the Corolla. I mean for the CTSV.
Just
right
a
there.
diff chilling.
Yeah, that's an engine that I got fully bored out for the Corolla. That's an extra 3SGTE head that I have.
Gosh dang. There's motor parts everywhere in here.
Yeah, I got wheels out the ass for the Corolla. Look at these wheels. These things are... I've never put them on the Corolla. They're actually Supra wheels.
They're Supra wheels?
Yeah. They're dirty as hell, but they're Supra wheels. It's because they've been sitting.
Like Mark II Supra?
No, first gen.
First gen.
That's a T56. That's the transmission that's about to be rebuilt with all the carbon synchros that were inside.
This is a great place to put a motor into, huh? And this is just a box full of goodies.
Yeah.
Gosh dang, man.
Everything.
So these are just the cheap O'Reilly parts that you get from O'Reilly's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, it's a junkyard LS. It's more like Ruby's junkyard LS motor.
Yeah, that like her new one.
Yeah, her new junkyard motor.
This one's just a little bit more advanced than that one, but yeah, they're about the same. I have a bunch of other shit too. It's just not in this building.
This
I
thing's
have, like,
freaking
6
sweet.
other motors. I got a couple junkyard LS's.
Okay, so explain me the story about this Camry.
Alright, this is my little sister's Camry. So it spun a bearing and it started rod knocking. The good brother that I am, I was like, you know what? The 5 SFE is almost the same thing as the 3 SGTE. It was in the sports cars. So I was like, I'll give you my engine. So we put a built 3 SGTE in here. And this is the first and only probably Camry ever with a 3 SGTE, oil cooler, turbo, everything. It works.
Golly.
Chirps the tires all the way to freaking third, or spins the tire.
Dude, what is up with these? That's a frog. That's a baby frog. Like that thing just hatched. Look at this. Every single speck you see is a frog. Look at all them things. Look at them. Look. See them? Look at all these little baby frogs. What the heck? Why is there so many of them? Oh, that one's humping that one. Oh, there's more of them. There's frogs everywhere. Oh, it's because I know this guy will get them if they're not up there. Oh, there's Mama Frog right there. Oh, that's definitely Mama Frog. Her belly big. It's, what time is it? 2:56 in the morning. We're just gonna make it to Florida. There's no reason why not. We'll just tag team it.
It's just a 12-hour drive.
Yeah, it's just a 12-hour drive at 2:56. So we're gonna probably be going through my favorite tunnel, the Mobile, Alabama tunnel, right at around sunrise. So that'll be pretty sweet. I can't wait for that. So let's freaking make a drive. All right, so it is currently 6:10 a.m. and I'm driving right now here. It was a little tired, so he's getting a little bit of rest. We'll probably end up switching a few more times before we get back to Florida. We're in Mississippi now, so we're just gonna keep on going. But it's daylight now. We left in like what? We left right when it got dark. And
Yeah.
We're already driving, and now it's daylight again. So we're gonna keep on going, and it should be about midday by the time we get to Florida. But either way, it's been a long drive, and it's got a lot longer to go.
Oh yeah.
I got this. It ain't nothing.
We got about 12 more hours. That's it. Just 12 more.
We got gas again. Follows Orby.
Now we're in Alabama, and we're about to go to my world's favorite tunnel. Is the Mobile, Bob Wheel, the Mubiwa, and the Mobile, Alabama tunnel. And that's my favorite tunnel because I like to honk the horn and hold my breath the whole way through the tunnel. And we're going to do that, by the way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Gonna do it?
We're doing it.
Oh,
snap.
I don't know if I can hold my breath that much.
It's really not that long.
No, yeah, I know.
And if it is long, I'll just go fast.
Alright.
We got this.
Now I can hold my breath for like a minute and a half.
I can hold my breath for like forever if I'm over the water. If
Yep.
I'm underwater, I can hold it for about a minute.
And you start panicking once you
Yeah,
get to
you're
like,
like
it's like you get 55 seconds and your heart starts like beating 3
Yeah.
times faster than it was at 50 seconds.
yeah.
I don't know why it does that. I have no idea why it starts doing that, but
Explain to us in the comments.
yeah, like it makes you freak out more than what you really, because it was only 5 seconds difference. You made it to 50 seconds, and as soon as you get to 55 seconds, it's like, holy shit, I am about to die. We're about to what?
We're about to go tunnel.
We're about to go tunnel.
My favorite thing to do is tunnel.
Tunnel.
Just like funnel. Funnels are good for funneling.
Tunnel vision. We're about to have tunnel vision?
We're about to have tunnel vision.
Tunnel vision. Wow.
You ready?
We're about to have tunnel vision.
Oh, traffic has slowed down severely.
You know what happens when you go in a tunnel? Roll the windows down.
And downshift.
Yeah.
Ready?
Stocky goodness. Wake up, Megan!
Are you still asleep?
Yeah!
There's white smoke everywhere.
Yo, why does everything always happen on this freaking...
I don't know. Isn't this what you also on that Uber driver?
Yo.
That smells like head gasket. You want to stop? Nah, we need to catch up to Gavin.
That might have been just some tires locking up on one of these 18-wheelers. Must have been this dude locked up the brakes.
Well, I guess we'll keep on chugging. So we made it to Florida, and look, it's a 4Runner pulling a Jeep
Yep. Jeep in its natural habitat.
behind a Toyota.
Yep. 4.0, freaking blowing freaking rear main seals and locking up the engines.
Exactly.
Should have went with a Toyota, guys. Should have went with a Toyota.
We also made it to Florida.
U-Haul pulling a camper.
Full ass camper. They can't turn with this shit.
Oh, did you see that? Slow down a little bit. He literally has the trailer connection. It's just hanging under the trailer, just going like
Are you serious?
all over.
That Camry got in front of us. Dude, look at the turning radius this guy has. Like, there's like 2 foot in between the U-Haul and the...
Oh yeah, watch this, y'all. Look at the connection on that trailer. That thing's about to break.
Make sure you're filming it.
That thing is going to break, and someone's gonna eat shit. Cause look at those propane tanks right there. All right, let's get away from this thing before it breaks.
It's for official use only, but we're officially doing this.
I feel like this is about to be the fattest ticket if someone catches me.
It's for official use only. We're officials.
Officially about to get the fattest ticket in the world.
Hey, it's okay. We're using it for an official reason. We gotta go somewhere and we're going the wrong way. And now we're in Florida. These gas pumps are so nice. Florida is such a nice state. Everything's overgrown and the gas stations are booty. All right, guys, so we have Austin's location, and Austin's with Gavin, Caleb, and Jess. And we've been playing leapfrog with them basically because they've been stopping at a gas station. We stop at a gas station. We were 3 hours behind them, and somehow magically we ended up in front of them. Right now we're in front of them. They're gonna come up behind us. We're driving slow. They have no idea that we're even close. They think that we're about 4 hours out when we made up 3 hours by, we had a good tailwind. I'll just say that.
It's them, that's us.
So they're gaining on us pretty quick. Harry's gotta go. Woo! But we've been here at the hotel. We didn't end up meeting up with them on the road because they were
Driving
30 minutes behind us. They were driving that slow. But they are right there. Barely see.
They definitely just passed this place up.
Yep, they totally did. He's backing up. There you go. Look at my bike. You see the bike? The redness? Oh yeah, the redness of my bike. Look at that thing. Oh baby, look at that bike. Oh boy. Oh, he's parking in the grass. All right, so we just arrived at the house and check this out. It's got a garage, a front door. This is one of them Airbnb deals, so it's pretty simple. Walk in, furniture, TVs, kitchen, laundry room, backyard, all that good stuff. Go in there. Harry's doing inappropriate things in the bathroom. He's just taking a dump. King size bed, which I'll probably be staying in this one. And I don't even know what size bed that is. There's Megan. Megan is Harry's other half. It's a pretty nice little place. Great place to stay. We're only gonna stay here, I think, 2 nights. And then we're going to roll back to Louisiana. But tomorrow's gonna be a good time. So let me just show you what I got for tomorrow. I have this riding jacket that my friend Zorby, that you should go follow right there. He let me lean low, he lent. He lent me this jacket as well as these gloves because I didn't want to go buy a new one or whatnot. I'll just get one on Marketplace for kind of cheap. Or I might end up buying this one if I end up liking it. I just want to see if I like this one first. If not, I'll end up buying one. But I did get this. This is a Snell approved, Snell and DOT approved helmet. This will be my new helmet. Because when you race on the track, official track that is, you have to have this Snell approvement. So it's rated for different things in crash and fire and all that fun stuff. So I had to get a new helmet and this is the one. So I'm freaking happy about that.